Hello ma'am, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rajesh Kumar Das. I am a student of Daffodil International University. My ID is 19215130032. Thank you ma'am for giving me a golden opportunity to tell something about application of differentiation. So let's get started without increasing the talk. Derivatives. Dedication to I dedicated this project named Derivatives to our teacher and my class members. Abstract. In this project we have discussed about derivatives such as definition, history, real life application and application of derivatives in different sciences. Acknowledgement. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty for making this project possible for us. Then a special thanks to Ma'am Muhammad Arifa Akhtar, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics, Faculty GED, for giving me a chance to tell something about physical application of differentiation. Contents: definition of derivative, history, real life application in sciences. Definition of derivative. The derivative is the exact rate at which one quantity changes with respect to another. Geometrically, the derivative is the slope of curve at the point on the curve. The derivative is often called the instantaneous rate of change. The derivative of function represents an infinitely small change the function with respect to one of its variables. The process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. History. Modern differentiation and derivatives are usually credited to Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. They developed the fundamental theorem of calculus in 17th century. This is related differentiation and integration in ways which revolutionized the methods for computing areas and volumes. However, Newton's work could not have been possible without the efforts of Isaac Barrow, who began early development of the derivative in 16th century. Real life applications of derivatives: automobiles, radar guns, business, graphs, etc. Applications of derivatives in various fields or sciences, such as in physics, biology, economics, chemistry, mathematics, others, psychology, sociology, and geology. Connecting derivatives. Derivatives, continuity, inflection points, motion problems, vectors, mean value theorem, implicit function theorem, estimating graphs. That's it. Some other application of derivatives. Derivatives are also used to calculate rate of heat flow in geology, rate of improvement of performance in psychology, rate of the spread of a rumor in sociology. Conclusion. Derivatives are constantly used in everyday life to help measure how much something is changing. They are used by the government in population censuses, various types of sciences, and even in economics. Knowing how to use derivatives, when to use them, and how to apply them in everyday life can be crucial part of any profession. So learning early is always a good thing. Thank you ma'am. Thank you everybody for watching my video patiently.